I made like over 130 bucks with just Walmart Spark. But normally it would still be light outside and it would still be a lot more money to make. Woo! Did you see that light? Starting off strong today, guys. First order of the day, $41.44 for 8 miles. Shop and deliver. Walmart Spark. Look, listen, if you ain't got Walmart Spark, I'm trying to tell you, multi-app is the way to go. You gotta have Walmart Spark, Uber Eats, Grubhub, any conjunction of any of those apps, you're gonna be good to go. Even Instacart, because look, it's no comparison. It's like night and day when it comes to being able to work shop and deliver apps in conjunction with food delivery. What the hell is going on up here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Me $41.44 to shop for like 26 items and driving 8 miles. I'm about to knock this thing out. I'm about to have this done in like 20 minutes and I'm about to be right back. If they want to throw me another fire little order like this, hey, I'll make my $100 in less than 2 hours today, because look, I'm not playing. Today is Saturday, so look, it's the weekend, there's money to be made. Get out there and make you some money. I'm the DashingTrader. On this channel, we help you maximize with gig apps like Walmart Spark, Doordash, Uber. I'm trying to get back in the Instacart, but Walmart Spark keep throwing me these fire orders. I mean, what am I to do when I keep getting these great orders like this on Walmart Spark? See, I got my little setup in the back. That's how I go ahead and transport my Walmart Spark orders. And I'm gonna tell you right now, them 26 items, I'm not even finna need both of those tubs for that. I'm about to knock this out so easily. It's raining today. It's nice and rainy. We've been having a lot of sunlight. It's been like 80 degrees every single day for the last 3-4 days. And don't get me wrong, I love my heat over here in my St. Louis region, but sometimes we need to wet that whistle, and today must have been the day, because look at that, it's raining. It look beautiful though, man. Look at that park over there. Nice. So look, we finna go ahead and head up to this Glen Carbon Walmart. It's right up the street. I was only a couple miles away from it, so that's perfect. We finna slide on up here and pick up our first order of the day, $41.44. Next order, we got $9.50 for what's that? 9.8 miles right over at Chick-fil-A. And guess what? It's gonna stay right over there. We is not playing no games today. After that, they sent me this one. $11.56 for 6.4 miles. Now that's way more reasonable. That's a diamond order and it's a stack. So I'm happy because I got a +1 as far as how many I declined and how many I accepted. So we took that one. We heading over to Freddy's and Chipotle on this one, guys. And I'll take this one because it's at least 2-to-1, even though I know it's probably two $6 orders, or you know, a $6.50 and a $5, whatever. But then what made it even better is I just got this order right here, $36.60, Walmart Spark, and this one ain't even a shop and deliver. This one is a curbside pickup. Alcohol delivery. Let's get it. Man, I'm over here right now. I'm parked in parking spot number 8, and I hope they bring this thing out soon, because Freddy's is right over there. So if they bring this thing out in the next 2-3 minutes, I'm good to go, because I was already able to check in because I'm so close to the Freddy's parking lot. This is why it's so important to multi-app. With these basically 3 orders right here, 1, 2, 3. With these 3 orders right here, that's gonna be $45 in this next hour. I'm in hour number 2 right now. Hour number 1, we only got that 1 order done and I made it back. But I got these 3 orders for my next hour, and you better believe I'm about to get all 3 of these done within this hour. So that means after hour 2, I'm gonna be sitting at 88 bucks in 2 hours, $44 an hour, multi-apping. And Uber been going off, but I ain't have nothing good that I can take in conjunction with what I'm already doing, so I left it alone. But guess what? I got options. And guess what? If you find value in this video, I need you to hit that like button and the subscribe button, because I got a goal of 10,000 subscribers. I'm trying to hit it as quickly as possible, and I'm trying to get this YouTube money. So make sure you watch all my videos and don't skip none of them. Stop playing with me. And here they come with my Walmart Spark order right now. What the hell is going on up here? Major car crash. You gonna see. I definitely ain't gonna be making a left. Good lunch. Next order, we got $13.78 for what that's 3.8 miles. I'm gonna throw a little screenshot up right there. It might just be a Walmart Spark day today, and you know what? I'm cool with it, because Walmart Spark payouts be good. This is order number 3 at Walmart, and this is gonna put me over $100. Now, the time is now 3 o'clock because I did stop and get me some lunch. But we finna keep these wheels rolling, because Trader gotta make that money. And since it's 3 o'clock and I'm already at 100 bucks with this order, I definitely am finna keep the wheels rolling and see if I can maybe make it to 200. Yes, sir, and that order ready to go. Mahalo. Thank you so much. All right. Get that in the hot bag here in a second. So, got my next order. This one is at Hawaiian Bros. It came in at $5.75 for 3 miles. Hold on, let me show you real quick because they sent me 2 other offers before this and I didn't take those. It was gray there for a second. I was able to get back on, and once I did, they sent me 2 offers. The first one was, what was it, 14 bucks for 10 miles, something like that? Nah, and I had to let that one go. I went on to decline that one, and then they sent me another one. Listen, DoorDash has to do something to get these orders out. These no good trash orders. I just dropped off that last order, Hawaiian Bros, $5.75 for 3 miles. You know, not the best order. I fell below 50% on that order. Okay, I got that one done, but that one, so I was a little bit of ways, and you can see my map is a little jacked up. That wasn't really 3 miles on that order. It was less than that. That would have been a diamond order if the system would have been acting right. But check this out. DoorDash has to figure out a way to get these orders out that they know people don't want. Take this order right here. $8.25. What that say? 6.1 miles. Like, they know I'm going to decline that, right? Why not just send me the order you know I'm going to accept first? Why? Because they have no other choice but to do it this way, to try to trick you or make you feel bad. If it's good orders out there, they'll send them to you if it's enough out there. But if not, they won't send them to you. And the trick is, if you fall below 50%, they just not going to send you nothing at all. Now look, the very next order they sent me was this. 625, 3.2 miles at Taco Bell. We heard that. Look, we at Taco Bell now. And that's what I'm saying. They could have sent me that order first, but they chose not to because they knew that I was going to decline that first one, but they wanted to make sure though, just in case that I feel a little manipulated, they could have got me, but they could have sent me this one first and it would have been all good. Either way, I'm here now. I'm finna go ahead and grab this order and we're gonna get it delivered. But these are the games that DoorDash likes to play in order to get those orders fulfilled that they know that the Dashers ain't gonna make no money. Next order, we checking in at McDonald's. I'm in the drive-through line now because their lobby is closed, like always. But look, we got $4.75 for 2 miles. So I was like, you know what? They sent me another diamond order back to back. I can keep the wheels rolling because it's a drive-through order, Mickey Sneeze. I'm like, you know what it is, what it is. And then, as soon as I got that, Uber Eats decided to bless me with this order right here. $10.08, what's that, 3 miles? Exactly, $10.08 for 3 miles exactly. So you know I'm finna stack it like Bud Soda and make that happen. Because that right there is gonna be, what, $14 for what? 20 minutes of work total? Because this Wendy's is literally across the street. And then I'm finna check in and see if we can get a Walmart Spark order so that I can keep the wheels rolling like that. Multi-app, 2023, that's what you want to do so you can make the most amount of money. Next order, we just got our next order, guys. We got $29 for 7.9 miles.
Make a right turn on South State Route 157.
You got it. Curbside pickup, Walmart Spark. This is a great order. And I got about 5 more minutes until it's ready for pickup. So I'm finna drop off this Wendy's order. Boom. And then we gonna slide over to Walmart. Next order, $9 for 3.1 miles. And I took that. We at Qdoba. I'm gonna go ahead and get that one in the hot bag. I think they might be missing something. So let's see what they missed on this order. And y'all got it sealed up pretty tight.
Alright, I'll look at another bag.
Okay. Next order, we got $7.25 for 3.6 miles at Chick-fil-A. Boom. Got this order right here, $9.50 for 3.7 miles. So I'm about to stack this with the Chick-fil-A order. Well, that Uber Eats order was taking way too long, and when you multi-apping, you need to keep the wheels rolling. But I did get this order, $18.09 for 7.1 miles, double order. So I said, you know what? I'll drop that other one, and I got this one, so it's all good. Just got my next order. I had to drop a part of that Viva La Fiesta order because they was taking entirely too long. And we just got a tornado watch in the area. But look, moving. We got $24 for 1 mile. Curbside pickup at Walmart. Let's go. Like, some days Walmart Spark just be hidden. And today is one of them days, man. I think I'm like over 150 with just Walmart Spark. Let's go. Looks like the tornado warning shut everything down, guys. Ain't getting no more orders on Uber Eats. DoorDash and the Walmart employees had to shelter in place, so that's the end right there. We're gonna have to hang it up. I'm gonna check in today with $185.99. Walmart Spark really led the charge today. I made like over 130 bucks with just Walmart Spark, but man, this rain, look, it threw a monkey wrench in everything because normally it would still be light outside and it would still be a lot more money to make. Woo! Did you see that lightning? Look, I'm heading to the crib so I can be safe. Make sure you're being safe out there too, and I'll catch you in the next one.